Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Go as far as you can see. When you get there, you will be able to see further. Luck is a divided of sweet. The more you sweet, the luckier you get. Everyone who's ever taken a sour has an idea. It's the person who gets out of the sour, dries off and does something above. It is during our darkest moment that we must focus to see the light. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in reaching every time we'll fail. You should never let your fears prevent you from doing what you know is right. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. Happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your own action. Tomorrow the sun will rise. You don't know what the tides will bring. I have always wished for my computer to be as easy to use as my telephone. My wish has come true because I can no longer fear. Be kind. Everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. In always wanting to be comfortable, you become lazy. In always wanting perfection, you become angry. In always wanting to be. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. A man is great by deeds, not by birth. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to your enemies, but a great deal more to stand up to your friends. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. If you ever have to make a choice between learning and inspiration, choose learning and works most of the time. The starting point of all achievements is desires. If you want to achieve excellence, you can get the today S of the second. Quit going less than excellent work. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. You may only succeed if you desire succeeding. You may only fail if you do not mind falling. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Too many of us are not living our dream because we are living our fears. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. The function of leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers. Success is linking yourself, linking what you do, and linking how you do it. A real entrepreneur is somebody who has no safety net underneath them. The first step towards success is taken when you refuse to be a captive of the environment in which you first find yourself. When I dare to be powerful, to use my strength in the service of my vision, then it becomes less and less important further. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to build and reflect. The successful warrior is the average man with leisure-like focus. There is no traffic jam along the extra mile. Develop success from failure. Discouragement and failure are two of the stepping stone to success. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you will fail into someone else's plan and guess what they have planned for. If you genuinely want something, don't wait for it. Teach yourself to be impatient. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. If you want to make a permanent change, stop focusing on the side of your problems and start focusing on the side of yours. You cannot the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that you do. In my experience, there is only one motivation, and that is desire, no results or principle, content it or stand against it. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. You must expect great things of yourself before you can do them. Motivation is what keeps you steady. Habit is what keeps you doing. Our greatest fear should not be of failure, but of succeeding at this in life that don't really matter. Success is knowing your purpose in life, growing to reach your maximum potential.